Welcome to the Department of Mass Communication, Galgotias University. I am Dr. Nikki Tiwari, your course coordinator of Media Industry and Entrepreneurship, BHSC 3002. Today I am going to discuss on the topic FDI, Foreign Direct Investment in Media. Prerequisite of this course is Basics of Print Media, Basics of New Media. Core requisites of this course is Computer with Internet Connection. Learning objectives. On completion of this course, the students will be able to understand what is FDI and the use of FDI in media industry. Now I am going to discuss what is FDI, Foreign Direct Investment. A foreign direct investment, FDI, is an investment made by a firm or individual in one country into business interest located in another country. Generally, FDI takes place when an investor establishes foreign business operations or acquires foreign business assets in a foreign company. Now, what is the use of FDI in media industry? Here is an overview of foreign direct investment in India. Foreign direct investment is regulated in India by the Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999 (FEMA) and the rules and regulations prescribed thereunder, including the Foreign Exchange Management Non-Debt Instruments Rules 2019. The Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India makes policy pronouncements on FDI through consolidated FDI policy circulars, press notes, press releases, which are notified by the Department of Economic Affairs, Ministry of Finance, Government of India as amendments to the NDI rules under the FEMA. The NDI rules prescribe the entry routes and sectoral caps for FDI in an Indian entity in various sectors. Overview of India's media and entertainment industry. India is the fifth largest media and entertainment market in the world. More than 1800 films are produced every year in various languages in India. The country has a large broadcasting and distribution industry comprising of approximately 900 satellite TV channels, 6,000 multi-system operators and 60,000 local cable operators. The Indian media and entertainment industry was valued at $25 billion in 2019 and it is expected to reach $34.8 billion by 2022. Now the question arises, what is the FDI limit in print media and television? FDI in print media is capped at 26% and that in TV news is 49%. 100% FDI has been allowed in movies and DTS and cable networks. In 2002, the Indian government had allowed foreign investments in both sectors with a 26% cap and subject to government approvals. In 2016, these norms were further liberalized when the cap for news TV was raised to 49% and 100% for entertainment channels. FDI limit in various media sectors. The Government of India has supported media and entertainment industry's growth by liberalizing FDI limits in various segments. FDI in direct-to-home DTH satellite and digital cable network raised from 74% to 100%. In movies, FDI up to 100% through the automatic route. FDI investment up to 26% in an Indian firm dealing with publication of newspaper and periodicals. FDI investment up to 26% in Indian editions of foreign magazines. FDI up to 100% in publications of scientific and technical magazines, specialty journals, periodicals. 100% FDI allowed in animation, gaming and VFX through automatic route. Now I am going to discuss what is the FDI limit in digital media. In the news digital media sector, FDI is permitted to 26%. The digital news media entities looking for FDI would have to adhere to three conditions. The majority of the directors on the company's board and the CEO of the company will have to be Indian citizens. The entity shall be required to obtain security clearance of all foreign personnel likely to be deployed for more than 60 days in a year prior to their deployment. The investing entity will ensure that the concerned person resigns or his or her services are terminated forthwith after receiving such directives from the government. FDI investment in digital media. The DPIIT, Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, has issued a clarification on October 16, 2020, detailing the categories of entities that would come under the ambit of digital media. Details of the clarification. The clarification seeks to elaborate on the construct of applicability of the FDI limit to the following entities registered or located in India: digital media entity streaming or uploading news and current affairs on websites, apps, and other platforms; news agency, which gathers, writes, and distributes, transmits news directly or indirectly to digital media entities and or news aggregators; and news aggregator, being an entity which, using software or web applications, aggregates news content from various sources such as news websites, blogs, podcasts, video blogs, user submitted links, etc. in one location. These are the references from where the contents have been taken. Thank you.